Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable call forwarding in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your phone app. Now from here tap on three dots, then go to settings option. After that go to supplementary services and give it a moment, and then go to call forwarding option, then tap on allow. And here you can see two options, video calls and voice calls. You have to just select voice call from here. Then tap on always forward. Now from here you can enable call forwarding. Here type the number that you want to set as call forwarding. Also if you want to choose any number from your contact list, just tap on this icon and then choose any contacts as you want. If I select it, then tap on enable and give it a moment. Now just tap here and you can see in my phone call forwarding has been enabled successfully. Now if you want to disable call forwarding, just tap on always forward again, then tap on disable. Now call forwarding has been disabled successfully. And that is how you can enable or disable call forwarding in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.